Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we're diving into the cozy world of outdoor living with Outdoor Fireplace, and let's explore the enchanting allure of outdoor fireplaces, specifically for your covered porch. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. An outdoor fireplace for a covered porch is a fireplace installed on a covered porch. It provides warmth, ambience, and a focal point for outdoor gatherings. It extends the usability of the porch beyond warmer months, allowing you to enjoy it even on cooler evenings. Here are some key benefits of choosing outdoor fireplace for covered porch. First, warmth and comfort. It provides heat, making the porch cozy and inviting during colder seasons. Second, ambience. The flickering flames create a relaxing and romantic atmosphere. Third, focal point. It becomes a central gathering place for friends and family. Fourth, extended outdoor living. You can enjoy your porch for a longer period of the year. When choosing an outdoor fireplace, consider factors like fuel types such as wood, gas, or electric, and then the size, style, and safety features. Imagine cozy nights under the stars, warmed by the gentle glow of a crackling fire. Let's delve into the different types of outdoor fireplaces that can bring this dream to life. Outdoor fireplaces come in various types, each offering unique benefits and aesthetic appeal. Wood-burning fireplaces, while classic and charming, require regular maintenance and wood supply. Gas fireplaces, on the other hand, offer convenience and ease of use, with clean-burning flames and easy ignition. Propane fireplaces, similar to gas, provide portability and flexibility, perfect for those who frequently move or have limited access to natural gas. Electric fireplaces, while offering a modern and safe option, may not provide the same level of warmth as traditional fireplaces. Finally, fire pits, a versatile choice, offer a communal gathering space and can be used for cooking or simply enjoying the warmth of the fire. Choosing the perfect outdoor fireplace can significantly enhance your outdoor living space. Let's explore the key factors to consider when making your selection. Just consider these factors. 1. Fuel type. Choose a fuel source that aligns with your lifestyle and local regulations. 2. Size and scale. Ensure the fireplace complements your porch's dimensions. 3. Style and design. Select a style that complements your home's architecture. 4. Safety considerations. Prioritize safety features like proper ventilation and heat shields. Looking to create a captivating outdoor living space with outdoor fireplace? Let's explore 10 innovative outdoor fireplace ideas that will leave you inspired. 1. Rustic stone fireplace. A timeless classic that blends seamlessly with natural surroundings. The rugged texture of stone adds warmth and character to your outdoor space. 2. Modern minimalist fireplace. Sleek lines and clean design for a contemporary look. This style complements modern homes and offers a minimalist aesthetic. 3. Fireplace with built-in seating. A cozy and inviting space for gathering. Comfortable seating surrounding the fireplace creates a perfect spot for relaxation and conversation. 4. Fireplace with a pizza oven. A culinary delight for outdoor cooking. Enjoy delicious, wood-fired pizzas and other treats right on your porch. 5. Fireplace with a water feature. A soothing combination of fire and water. The gentle sound of flowing water adds a calming ambience to your outdoor space. 6. Fireplace with a pergola. A stylish and functional outdoor structure. The pergola provides shade and protection from the elements, while the fireplace adds warmth and ambience. 7. Fireplace with a TV. The ultimate entertainment hub for outdoor living. Enjoy your favorite shows and movies while cozying up by the fire. 8. Fireplace with a bar. Perfect for hosting outdoor parties. A built-in bar area adds convenience and style to your outdoor space. 9. Fireplace with a fire pit. A versatile option for both seating and fireside lounging. The fire pit offers a casual and inviting atmosphere. 10. Fireplace with a grill. Combine cooking and warmth in one outdoor appliance. Grill up delicious meals and enjoy the warmth of the fire, all in one convenient spot. An outdoor fireplace can truly transform your covered porch into a magical retreat. By carefully considering your needs and preferences, you can create a space that you'll cherish for years to come. For more inspiration and design tips, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Share your own outdoor fireplaces transformations in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.